Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we've got a box of Romeo y Julieta. These are the Mille Fleurs. And this box is from July 2023. And this is a box of 10. These also come in a box of 25. And this specific box, you've seen previously on the channel, is from Hunters and Francout in Gibraltar, not in the UK. Because in the UK they'll have an EMS stamp, as we've mentioned before. Let's open these cigars up. And there you have them. These cigars are 42 ring gauge by 5 1/8. Let's take one out and have a look. These are such a great smoke. Medium strength, I find them. I don't find them to be too strong or too weak per se. I think they're a great cigar for an afternoon cigar. If you want something quick, these have a smoking time, I believe, of around between 30 minutes to 45 minutes, depends how quick you smoke. I personally smoke these in around half an hour. And they're great for the winter. I find them when it's freezing cold outside and you just want to go and have a quick cigar. So these are great. And I purchased these for, I believe it was £62 for 10, which is £6.20 each cigar. Which, again, for a Cuban cigar from a brand this big and this important, you really can't get better than that. And that will be it for today. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.